Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Data Dive. First, let's get you oriented. Data Dive is a powerful tool designed to help you uncover meaningful insights from your information. To begin, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard, which typically features 5 key sections. You'll want to locate the Data Import function, usually found under a File or Data menu, to bring in your initial data sets. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent analysis. Once your data is imported, the next critical phase is preparation. This involves several steps to ensure your analysis is accurate and reliable. You'll need to identify and address any missing values, perhaps by imputation or removal depending on your strategy. Furthermore, cleansing inconsistent entries like varied spellings for the same item is essential. Finally, transform data types as needed. For example, converting text dates into a proper date format for chronological analysis. This meticulous preparation saves significant time later. With your data clean and prepared, it's time to dive into the analysis. Data Dive offers a rich suite of analytical tools, from descriptive statistics to predictive modeling. You can explore relationships between variables, identify trends, and detect anomalies. Generating visualizations, such as bar charts, scatter plots, or heat maps, is key to understanding complex patterns. Remember to apply appropriate statistical methods, like hypothesis testing or regression analysis, to validate your conclusions and ensure their robustness. Aim for at least 3 distinct visualizations. After conducting your thorough analysis, the final step is to effectively report and share your valuable findings. Data Dive allows you to export your process data and visualizations in various formats, such as CSV, PDF, or image files. You can then compile these into comprehensive reports, highlighting your key discoveries and recommendations. Consider including an executive summary of about 200 words. Sharing your insights with colleagues or stakeholders is straightforward, often through integrated sharing features or by distributing your generated reports. This ensures your hard work translates into actionable intelligence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.